When it comes to home renovations, few upgrades can transform a bathroom like a custom shower. For residents of Mobile, Alabama, the decision to install a custom shower offers a multitude of benefits that go beyond mere aesthetics. From enhanced functionality to increased home value, custom showers can cater to the specific needs and tastes of homeowners. Let's explore the key advantages of installing a custom shower in your mobile home. Tailored design for your space. One of the most significant benefits of a custom shower is its ability to be tailored to fit your unique space and preferences. Unlike prefabricated units that come in standard sizes and shapes, a custom shower can be designed to maximize the available space in your bathroom. Whether you have a compact area or a spacious layout, custom showers can fit seamlessly into your design. You can choose from various sizes, shapes, and configurations, ensuring that your new shower complements the overall aesthetics of your bathroom. Enhanced functionality. Custom showers can be designed with specific features that enhance their functionality. For instance, you can include multiple shower heads, body sprays, and adjustable fixtures to create a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Additionally, custom showers allow for better accessibility, catering to individuals with mobility issues. Incorporating grab bars, seating options, and non-slip flooring can significantly enhance safety and usability, making daily routines more manageable for everyone. Increased home value. Investing in a custom shower can significantly boost the resale value of your home. In today's real estate market, buyers are looking for modern, functional, and aesthetically pleasing bathrooms. A well-designed custom shower not only enhances the bathroom's appeal but also distinguishes your home from others on the market. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that feature quality upgrades, making your investment worthwhile. Improved water efficiency. Many homeowners are becoming increasingly conscious of water usage and the impact on both the environment and utility bills. Custom showers can be designed with water-efficient fixtures that help reduce water consumption without sacrificing performance. Options like low-flow showerheads and smart controls can significantly lower your water usage, providing a more sustainable solution for your bathing needs while saving you money in the long run. Personalization and style. A custom shower allows you to express your style and personality. With a wide array of materials, colors, and finishes to choose from, you can create a space that reflects your taste. Whether you prefer sleek, modern designs or a more classic, traditional look, the options are virtually limitless. You can select everything from tile patterns and colors to hardware finishes, ensuring that your custom shower aligns perfectly with your overall design vision. Low maintenance. Custom showers can be designed with easy maintenance in mind. Choosing materials that resist mold and mildew, such as glass tiles or acrylic surfaces, can save you time and effort in cleaning. Additionally, custom designs can include features like built-in shelves or storage niches, eliminating the need for bulky shower caddies that can collect grime. Investing in a custom shower can mean less time spent cleaning and more time enjoying your luxurious space. Unique features and technology. happy with a custom shower, you can incorporate advanced features and technology that enhance your bathing experience. Options like digital controls for temperature and water flow, LED lighting, and integrated sound systems can transform your shower into a personal oasis. These unique elements can elevate your daily routine, making it not just a necessity but a pleasurable experience. Installing a custom shower in your Mobile, Alabama home is more than just a renovation. It's an investment in your comfort, style, and home value. With the ability to personalize your space, improve functionality, and embrace modern technology, custom showers cater to the unique needs of every homeowner. If you're considering a bathroom upgrade, exploring the possibilities of a custom shower may be the perfect way to enhance your living space and enjoy the many benefits it offers. Whether you're looking for a luxurious retreat or a practical solution, a custom shower can truly transform your bathroom into a space you'll love for years to come.